to check out my video. It's got him on the drums. We're in a band. We can't tell you the band unless you look up this video. Type in Gunner and Steven and Deadly Diamonds.
First gig. So, we've actually made our Harlem Shake video so far. We're just trying to find a way to post it. I mean, you have to hook it up to the computer. So, it sucks. Yeah. Ah! Stop doing that!
Could have had
Harlem Shake on here.
Could have had a V8.
Ah! Ow! Ow!
Could have had a V8.
Has to make the sound. Like that.
Ow! Stop doing that!
Okay. Well, we'll see you guys later. Hello. Hi. Okay, so Gunner and Sophie are gone. Well, Gunner's gone. So Steven's a lot upset right now. So could have the V8.
Ow!
Stop it.
Stop. Hi. Randomness video. Yeah.
Gonna have the V8.
Ah!
Can I
Don't you do that again.
Could have the V8.
Don't you do that ever again. Hi. This is just a brief of a new video coming out called the Harlem Shake that me and my friends might do if we have time. If you have any suggestions, please comment me or like if you can. So that's really it. I just basically need help on this Harlem Shake video. So that's it for today. Bye, everybody. What do you want? What do you want? Crazy. I'm just kidding. Okay, I'm just still waiting on one more person about the Harlem Shake video. My best friend, my best buddy. My best buddy in the whole world. And I have not got any comments or anything. I want some comments. I need some likes. Well, I just need comments, really. No, if you like me, I don't care. I don't who cares? So, shut up. A stupid thing came up on my computer. So, if you can handle it, my Harlem Shake video should be out this month. So, what does that tell you? Tells you to pack your bags and come to my house. No. And bye.